Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Discover D712U binaural USB wired headset. So what you see here is a plastic bag, it looks like, so let's take that off. That keeps all the dust off of the case here. Looks like the cover came off too. Let's set that aside. Not sure if you can see this, but it has a nice embedded logo right there in the protective case. This is like pretty much a hard case, but it's a little bit soft too, which is nice because it's going to keep your headset nice and protected. This is just a marketing piece of paper. So this is from the brand Discover headsets. It is a Discover D712U. Let's take a look at it. It's kind of nicely packaged. Looks like there's like a flexible strap that holds this cable and makes it all seem really nice. So there's a headset there. Well, you have some replacement ear cushions right out of the bag. Right out of the box. That's kind of nice to have right there on board with you. And that's it as far as that goes. I know unboxing a wired headset isn't overly exciting because there's not a lot of parts and pieces with it, but let's take a first look at this headset. So it's a binaural headset, which means it has two speakers. It looks like these speakers rotate to some degree there, almost all the way, but not quite. And then it looks like it has a rotating mic boom. It rotates pretty good. And it looks like it has a bendable microphone boom. That's kind of nice. First impressions of the way it's, the style of it, it looks really nice. Has a cool like copper gold color as far as an accent color. Looks like it has a cushion for the headband here. And it has an adjustable headband. It looks like it goes down pretty good. That's nice. It's always good. It has some buttons on this, and it also looks like a LED light, some kind of indicator. Volume up and volume down, and a mute button. And then this is a USB-A connection. So we're going to do an in-depth review with a sound test of this particular headset. So please don't forget to like this video right now, subscribe to our channel so that you can be up to date on all of our videos relating to headsets and other telecom related content. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. I'd say overall this, this feels really lightweight, so I'm sure this is going to be a comfortable headset. But stay tuned because we're going to launch that video here very soon. Appreciate you taking the time to see this unboxing. Again, there's a case, ear cushions, a couple of packaging materials, and then the headset itself. All right, that's all for now. We will see you on the in-depth review here shortly. Thanks a lot.